Hey guys, it's me, Carlos, and I heard you cannot drink a bottle of sparkling water without burping. Let's try. I already need to. Cold. Part 2 right after.